Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you are fine and doing great in your life. So this is basically my birthday month. So for this month I decided to go with purple and like white theme. Purple because of BTS, of course. I am obsessed with BTS these days. So yeah, as they have played a very important role in my life, so they have to be included in every happiness of me. So here just I paste a cut out of a white A4 size paper, then I took a pastel paper. What I'm saying, sorry, pastel purple color and filling out the ribbons, and then writing July. You can also write it in the middle of the ribbon where I wrote BDS, but I just liked it this way. And then I'm making a goal section for this month. I love to write goals as they keep me motivated every time I open it. And for this thing I made like a spiral notebooky kind of thing. Pastels colors have been really helpful for me this year. From the start 6 month my favorite was pastel blue, but then after joining BTS it has been pastel purple and I love it. Then for the goals of this month it was basically study hard, be fit, and I want to start writing with my left hand, so yeah, practicing that. This page is all of like my extras where I wrote monthly faves, monthly songs, and trackers. But I just forgot to add like checkers, which is Quran, and exercise, of course. But then I will later add on it to another page. So I just add like a monthly fave one, and then I'm writing books to read, and you can change it according to yourselves. I love to read books. In the past few months I finished two books. One is like still near finished, like only 40 pages are left, so yeah. Then I made a whole list for the songs of the month because I feel like I am more of a cappella song version person, and I am enjoying songs a lot. As my current favorite binge is "Without You" by Halsey. I know it's a like kind of old song, but I got introduced to it recently, and I personally love it. Another one which I'm loving these days are "Still with You" by Jungkook and "Filter" by Jimin. So yeah, but these were like the past month ones, so I just added it to that list. Now making a calendar, I like to make these square calendars. For you can also use scales, but I just wanted to be random because I don't personally have had time to do this, and I think the random lines make me realize that it's really personalized, and it's just give me a relaxation. So I'm just making some cute little boxes over here, and then I'm going to write numbers like with highlighted with purple, and then gonna write dates in them. So July is like a very special month for me. I turned 16th this year, as I'm born of 2005. So 1st July is my birthday. So for that, it's like my favorite month. As also my mama's birthday is also in this month. I'm not gonna disclose which date, but yeah. So this month has a really big place in my heart. So I'm just yeah. So I just forgot to mention that I made that July logo by just doing like BDS signs, and then writing July in it. The camera got swayed away, so I just forgot to shoot it. Then when I wrote numbers, I felt like I needed a more highlights, so I'm just adding highlights to the number a little bit more so that they could be prominent. Then at the end of the box, I drew an extra box, so I just decided to color it purple and then draw a army bomb in it. And personally, it was really simple to do, and I enjoyed it. Then this is the next page. If you're thinking about what is this birthday letter thing, so every year on the birthday night, like 12 after 12, I wrote a letter. I write a letter to me and to my God, Allah Ta'ala, and I just discuss how my year went out. And it's just been a habit of me till like last year when I just do it, and then just I fold it in an envelope and store it somewhere else. So this time I decided to put it in here. Then these are some various songs that I listened to or got introduced to, and I want to listen them more. As there are some songs which I'm just binging on right now, like Butter, Dynamite. I know most of them, like Fake Love, Idol, Black Swan. So I'm just writing all of the songs in a place. Then this page, I don't know, it's looks like a very simple page, but it has a really special place in my heart. I am a person who like to collect souvenirs from all around the world, and this is from today. As I just drew some random things on my friend's hand, and it's just got pasted over it. So I just added, and there's a little ship which my friend made and gave me. So I just added it, and the birthday card. So this is the whole theme, very simple and minimalistic and very personalized. I think bullet journaling is all about writing yourselves. So yeah, under the birthday things where I added like souvenirs, I'm gonna add more later on as my birthday went. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give this a video thumbs up, and if you try this theme, just don't forget to tag me on Instagram. All of my handles are going to be in description. I missed you guys last month so much, but I was able to make videos because of my schedule, as I'm not going to be able to make videos this month too because of my I have my paper starting from the next second week of July. So I maybe rarely post anything. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. And that's all for today's binge session. Allah Hafiz.